So, as you can see, I am testing my instrument table with valid, invalid, and null data. As I've said on my test plan, I'm testing the validation rules. So as you can see, I've tested the limit for the instrument name with to make sure that does not allow more than 50. Tested with null data, as you can see, which it has rejected, and entered valid data. I will continue to do this as outlined in the test plan with invalid, valid, and null data, as you can see. As you can see, it then stops me at the limit for the field. For lookups, I'm testing that it will allow me to enter data from the field, from the lookup, and how it will not let me enter a value that is not on the field. As you can see again, it does not let me enter a value that is not from the lookup list. It does not let me to leave the field blank or with null data. Again, as you can see, the supplier does not let me enter the vector data. I will now test my parent table with invalid, valid, and null data to ensure that the system rejects null data, accepts valid data, and rejects invalid data. And also testing the limits I've set in the field. The length check, which is 50 for these two. As you can see in the email field, I'm testing that it will allow a valid email, and I will reject an invalid email. And will not allow me to leave the field blank. And as you can see, the input mask is working in the phone number, which ensures that you enter a correct phone number and not an invalid number. As you can see, the input mask does not allow you to enter letters where numbers should be, or numbers or letters should be for the postcode phone number. And again, making sure that the system's not accepting all data and how it will accept valid data. I then test the rental table with invalid, valid, and null data, as you can see. As you can see, the payment date does not allow me to enter text, and it does not comply with the form or format, that I've entered, and it does not accept null data. As you see again, for the look up to the staff table, it does not allow you to enter data that is not invalid. As you see again, it does not meet the requirements for that field. It's not allow you to leave it blank either. This will be standard throughout the rental table for all the lookups. As you can see, it does not allow you to enter null data or data does not comply with the format of the field. For these next fields, it will not let you enter data that's not in the format that should be. Now they be blank. However, you have to run a query to calculate these before you have to save the table, and then run these end date calc query to calculate the end date, as you can see, and then update rental price query to calculate the final price, as you can see. I will then test the staff table to ensure that it accepts valid data, rejects invalid data, rejects null data. Test the limits of the length checked to ensure that it's not allowing me to enter data that is more than specified length. As you can see, the input mask is working, which will only allow you to enter numbers and will not allow you to enter the letters in the field. As you can see, I'm testing the limits of this field that allow you to enter 8 characters. Again with the account number. See that accepts valid data, which it does. Then be testing the student table to make sure with invalid, valid, and null data to ensure that it rejects invalid data, accepts valid data, and rejects null. Also be testing the validation, which is the length check, which does not allow you to enter more than the specified length. As you can see there, I enter the data into the field to show you that it accepts valid data, as well as I will then check if the field will reject any data bursts in the future, as the validation rule says. It will not accept any dates in the future. I will then show you the parent field does not let you enter invalid data, does not let you do a blank. As you can see, accepts valid data. And test the supplier table with valid, invalid, and null data to ensure that it accepts valid data, rejects invalid data, and rejects null data. Now then also test the length check to allow you to show you that it does not allow you to enter data with more characters than the specified amount. As you can see again, it's not let you type in more characters than the length check allows. As you can see, the input mask is not working. Also, does not in the present check does not allow you to enter null data. As you can see, it accepts valid data and will not let you enter characters where a number should be. Supplier address should allow valid data, for example, and reject data. And to say, as you say, stops you from entering data more than longer than a certain limit as specified in the field. And then test the supplier email to ensure that it accepts valid data. A valid email, as you can see, it does. And null data, which it rejects, as you see. I'll enter invalid email, as you can see, does not allow you to enter that. And as you see, it now accepts the data.